Today we'll install the MagLink HUD, an OLED magnetic dashboard display. Step 1. Install transmitter. First, let's open the transmitter's packaging box. The package contains wires, a transmitter, and a crowbar. Remove the waterproof seal from the passenger seat position. Use a pry bar to remove the triangular trim panel on the right side of the glove box. Use a pry bar to pry open the clips on the felt board and remove it. Remove the waterproof sealant strip from under the threshold. Use a pry bar to pry open the gap in the felt panel and remove the felt trim. Locate these two white factory connectors beneath the glove box. Press the white latch and pull the plug upward to remove it. Connect the transmitter wiring harness. Connect the transmitter. Then restore the felt trim panel. Attach the clasp. Install the triangular trim panel. Finally, install the waterproof strip. Step 2. Install mobile phone holder. The box contains two magnetic coils, location sticker, mount, USB cable, dashboard holder. First, we'll install the bracket. Start by loosening the nut. Then insert the bracket's round head into place. Finally, tighten the nut securely. Disconnect the USB cable. Insert the Type-C end through the bracket's gap and plug it into the circular port at the bottom. Adjust the steering wheel position outward to the end. Simply push the ball wheel to the right. Take out the positioning sticker. Apply the positioning sticker along the bottom edge. Peel off the protective film from the 3M adhesive backing. Align the bottom two corners of the bracket with the two corners of the positioning sticker and attach them. Peel off the positioning sticker. Adjust the steering wheel back to its normal height. Connect the USB cable to the OBD connector. Then plug the OBD connector into. Tuck the excess wiring harness into the gap beneath the steering wheel. Step 3. Install dashboard cookie. First, tear open the packaging along the edge. Remove the dashboard cookie from inside. Simply bring it close and it will magnetically attach.